This is a nice one from probability. So the concept used here is probability. So what we are asked is having a white ball given we had a green ball. So W denotes the event of a white ball, G is the event of green ball. So this is now notice. So to find this we'll have to find this probability and this probability. So probability of so now let's read the remainder of the question. So we have selected a ball randomly from box 1, and based on the color of that ball we choose a ball either from the box 2 or box 3 or box 4. So in total we draw 2 balls. So if we want both W and G to happen, that means one ball was white and one ball was green. So notice that the white ball is present only in box 4. So if we draw a white ball, that means it was drawn from box 4, which also means that the color of the ball B was green. So this W intersection G happens only when we draw a green ball from box 1 and a white ball from box 4. So probability of that happening is 5 by 16 times 6 by 32. Then we need the probability of drawing a green ball. So that becomes, if we draw a red ball from box 1, so that is 8 by 16 times probability of drawing a green ball from box 2, which is 15 by 48, plus 3 by 16 drawing a blue ball from box 1. Then we need a green ball from box 3, which is 12 by 16, plus if we draw a green ball from box 1, we are done. So now PW given G simply becomes 5 into 3 by 16 into 16 upon 8 into 5 upon 16 into 16 plus 36 upon 16 into 16 plus 80 upon 16 into 16. This gets cancelled. We are left with 15 upon 156, which is 5 upon 52. So answer is C.